We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at Husqvarna's Z242F with the 18 horsepower Kawasaki engine. This mower has the 42-inch ClearCut cutting deck. Has your movable floor panel here to get to your maintenance points. The ventilated Husqvarna seat that's extra cushioned. Your cutting height adjustment, that's for 1.5 to 4 inches. Has your cup holder, a little storage cubby. This does have a 18 horsepower Kawasaki engine. As well as the Hydrogear ZT2200s. Here we have the 3.5 gallon fuel tank, your controls, PTO, choke, everything right here. Has a hard plastic chute. This mower does have cast iron spindles. They are greasable. Once again, this is Husqvarna's Z242F with the 18 horsepower Kawasaki engine. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.